Hello and welcome to a different topic, a unique topic, that is to say, please don't follow the wrong definition of noun. Definition of noun is very important. Understanding the concept of noun is very important. Why? Because noun is the soul of language. If you don't understand it, in fact, you don't understand what is in the making of language. So let's discuss what is really noun and what is really wrong with the traditional definition of noun. Look at this definition. Traditional definition of noun. Normally, since our childhood, we have memorized the definition of noun as a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Or for examples of persons like Tom, David, Sarah. Examples of place like New York, London, Paris. Examples of animal like we have cat, dog, tiger. Examples of thing like pen, pencil, paper. All these, what we have just talked about, they are noun. So traditional definition of noun, that noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And this definition we have memorized since our childhood without any question. So is this definition really complete? Is this definition comprehensive enough to include all what noun contains? All what noun should contain? In my opinion, the answer is big no. The traditional definition of noun, that a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, is not complete at all. Is not comprehensive enough. It does not include what characteristics noun carries. Let's discuss more about it. In a grammatical term, we have the word noun. But if we translate this word noun into a general English language, we have the word name. So noun is equivalent to the word name. What is name is noun, and what is noun is name. There is no difference between the two. Both the words are same. We have just the terminological difference. Noun is a grammatical term, while name is used in a very common, simple English language. In fact, noun is the name of everything in the world. I say everything in the world. And when I say everything in the world, we can say any object that has name for it is noun. For example, hand is noun, nail is noun, finger it's noun, arrow it's noun, paper it's noun. So whatever the objects, they have name for them. All those objects having names are noun. We have some more ideas about noun. Let's talk about it. Any object that we can see is noun. We can see a sky, it's noun. We can see tree, it's noun. We can see the moon, it's noun. We can see the sun, it's noun. We can see rain, it's noun. So what I mean to say is that any object that you can see can be qualified as noun. We move on to the next. Still more. Any object that we can touch is noun. Wall we can touch is noun. Door you can touch is noun. Handle, key, lock, and there are a million of things that we can touch and they could be qualified as noun. We have some more ideas to talk about. What we can taste is noun. Interesting that anything that you can taste can be qualified as noun. Sugar, it's noun. Salt, it's noun. Lemon, it's noun. Apple, it's noun. Coffee, it's noun. And then we have a number of such items that you can taste. All those items can be qualified as nouns. We move on to the next. What we feel about is noun. Anger, it's noun. Hate, it's noun. Love, pain, happiness. So what we feel is also noun. We move on to the next. Noun is not only about name of a person, place, animal or thing that we have traditionally been memorizing since our school days. In fact, noun is a naming word. It applies to all those objects that exist around us, that we can see, that we can touch, that we can taste, that we can feel about. And all those objects may be real or imaginary, like you can think of. So noun is not only about a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Noun is much beyond that. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.